As you watch this dark Mercedes effortlessly overtake a plain commuter car, you're seeing the core temptation of the used luxury market. Cars that once demanded a massive original MSRP are now sitting on lots for the price of a standard economy sedan. The ideal outcome is acquiring that quiet, high-speed comfort for a fraction of the cost. The reality is often inheriting thousands of dollars in neglected air suspension repairs and complex electrical faults from the previous owner. A three-pointed star on the hood offers zero protection against these financial risks. The only things that matter are the specific model year, the exact powertrain configuration, and the strictness of the previous owner's maintenance schedule. To navigate this, we're ranking the 10 smartest Mercedes-Benz sedans you can buy in 2026. This countdown ignores models that just look like a good deal, focusing instead on rigorously vetted combinations of engine character, reliability, and depreciation. Buying a used Mercedes is a deliberate trade-off. You are exchanging a heavily depreciated purchase price for the immediate assumption of mechanical and electronic liability. Number 10 is the 2020 to 2022 A220. Between $19,000 and $29,000, this is the most affordable gateway to recent MBUX technology, manageable dimensions, and easy urban parking. But that low price comes with compromises. Option-heavy electronics and vulnerable low-profile tires increase ownership costs, and the compact cabin sacrifices true E-Class isolation. If you want more visual impact, number 9 is the 2020 to 2023 CLA 250. It runs about $21,000 to $33,000 and targets buyers willing to pay a premium over the A-Class for sleek styling and stronger 221 horsepower acceleration. The physical limitations are real here. Rear seat access is tight, the ride quality is firm for wind noise and leaks. Both of these compact models deliver modern aesthetics and tech on a budget, but they trade away the mechanical substance and long-distance comfort of a traditional, larger Mercedes sedan. Number 8 jumps to the mature W212 chassis with the 2014 to 2016 E250 BlueTEC. At $11,000 to $20,000, this diesel is the ultimate high-torque tool for extreme mileage highway drivers. However, its complex diesel emissions equipment, including DEF hardware and specialized sensors, makes it a massive financial liability for urban buyers taking short trips. For a relaxed city commute, number 7 is the 2017 to 2020 E300. Priced between $19,000 and $31,000, it is the lowest-priced entry point into the quiet, elegant, and modern W213 cabin architecture. The trade-off is under the hood. The turbocharged four-cylinder lacks effortless passing thrust, and you must demand a strict cold start inspection to rule out known cooling and electrical issues. These two cars are exact opposites. One is built for endless highway miles, the other for relaxed daily commuting. Buying either for the wrong use case guarantees a frustrating and expensive ownership experience. Number 6 is the facelifted 2021 to 2023 E350. At $30,000 to $44,000, it's the premium choice for buyers demanding updated styling and robust safety equipment without paying the 6-cylinder premium. You still have to do your homework. You need a full diagnostic scan and a deep dive into the service history to investigate for critical cylinder head or software repairs before signing anything. For roughly that exact same budget, number 5 offers a completely different proposition. The 2018 to 2020 S450. You get flagship V6 luxury, a superbly quiet interior, and immense rear seat comfort. But as you see the chassis on this parked sedan slowly sagging over the tire, it illustrates the severe financial risk of the S-Class. The complex air suspension, 48-volt systems, and active driver aids require intense vetting. Maximum luxury per dollar scales directly with maximum potential repair bills. Buying an S450 requires keeping a massive cash reserve on hand for when those flagship components wear out. Moving into the sweet spots, number 4 is the one-year-only 2018 E400 4MATIC. It provides the refined smoothness of a traditional V6 along with standard all-wheel drive traction. Because it was only produced for a single model year, clean and well-documented examples are incredibly difficult to find, which naturally pushes most buyers toward its immediate successor. That successor is number 3, the 2019 to 2020 E450 4MATIC. running between $27,000 and $40,000. This is the ideal upgrade for long-distance drivers who want effortless passing power and a mature interior. You still need a specialized inspection. Have them check the turbocharger plumbing for leaks, inspect for collapsed engine mounts, and ensure there is no incomplete software or recall work pending. These specific bi-turbo V6 sedans currently occupy the absolute best position in the used market. They balance heavy initial depreciation against robust pre-hybrid gasoline performance. Number 2 is the 2021 to 2023 E450, representing the most complete modern luxury experience available. Its silky turbocharged inline-6 delivers strong premium performance alongside current styling. But that smooth power relies on a 48-volt system and an integrated starter generator. These components introduce complex diagnostic liabilities that demand a strict, specialized electrical inspection. That brings us to number 1, the 2014 to 2016 E350. At $12,000 to $22,000, this is the absolute smartest purchase. It combines comfortable, traditional luxury and physical controls with a highly reliable, naturally aspirated V6. Age-related risks still apply. Cheap, multi-owner examples with leaking seals, worn-out suspension components, and collapsed mounts are false bargains that will drain your wallet. Securing the top spot means prioritizing drivetrain simplicity and a massive supply of clean examples over cutting-edge technology. A slightly older, meticulously maintained Mercedes is a much safer financial bet than a newer, highly complex liability. Assuming that newer technology or a higher original price tag makes a used luxury car a better purchase is a mistake. That mindset actively attracts massive financial liabilities. As this flowchart maps paths for different drivers, all roads lead to one mandatory step: verifying the exact VIN. Having no warning lights isn't enough. You must confirm completed campaigns with documentation, verify service history, and ensure the powertrain matches your needs. The correct vehicle choice depends entirely on precisely matching the engine's condition and complexity with your actual repair budget and daily driving routine. The asking price is merely the entry fee. A rigorous specialist inspection and a flawless service history are the only things that determine whether that depreciation translates into real value or just transfers a massive repair bill into your garage.